A very good morning, dear students. Myself is Ishwini R, and I will be taking the social science subject for you for this academic year 2021 by 22. I hope you all are safe and healthy. And due to this pandemic, and we should never neglect education. And education is an important thing which will be helpful for each individual life. So, by having concern with regard to your studies, the school has been planned to start your academic year from Monday onwards. So, you people must be very cooperative and attentive and active as you were in the regular class. There is no much difference compared to regular on the online. Only the thing is you are using the internet as well as the mobile. That is the main difference. So, I would request you to be attentive and active in the live session. With your cooperation, we would be able to conduct the classes successfully. So I hope your support will be there. Please attend the live classes and make it successful. Thank you. So dear students, this is the textbook which you are going to refer for this academic year for the social science. So it is being published by the Indianica Learning, and the author will be Geeta Sehgal, Nalini Agarwal and Tanvi Pranay Chawla. And this is the cover page of your 7th CBSE Social Science textbook. And also, dear students, in each of the topics, each of the chapter, they have given real life pictures and the photographs which are relevant to the content. And along with that, which are the subtopics you are going to learn, and do additional activities, project work, life skills, extra information related to the concept. In each of the chapters they have given like behind borders, key terms, meaning of the important terms or the word meaning will be given. Mind mapping means chapter summary. After once the finish we get finishes with the lesson, at the end of the chapter they have given the chapter summary in a mind map in a chart form to understand very well. Next, higher order questions also is giving to elaborate your thinking capacity. Next, life skills activities which will be you will be experienced to the real life situations. So they have given some activities also. Then project work, as I said, case studies relevant to the topics they have given, which are already happened in the previous earlier years. Certain places related information will be given as a case study. So dear students, the content part. So you saw the cover page. Now we shall see which are the chapters you are going to study. Let's quickly recall. In history, we are going to study when, where and how of different names which are being called for the India. New kings and kingdoms who arose. Sultans of Delhi, Mughal Empire, medieval architecture, town traders and craftsmen. And along with this, different societies like tribal and nomad and religious cultures. Coming to the geography, our environment, structure, movements of the earth, different physical features of land forms, and composition and structure of atmosphere, water, vegetation, human environment, life in desert, and social and political life civics part, what is democracy and equality, and institution of democracy, state governments, role functions of state government, gender equality, understanding media, advertising, types of markets. All these things you are going to learn from this 7th CBSE Social Science textbook. So dear students, now let us study or revise, you can say, certain words which are will be helpful for you to study well in the coming classes. So shall we start with the first one? Let us start. So inscriptions. INSCRIPTIONS. Inscription. First one. Second one, autobiographies. 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 Third one, epigraphy. 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 Fourth one, society, SOCIETY, society. Fifth one, location, LOCATION, location. Sixth one, hydrosphere, HYDROSPHERE, hydrosphere. Prohibition, PROHIBITION, prohibition. Next word is untouchability, UNTOUCHABILITY, untouchability. Ninth one, constitution, CONSTITUTION, constitution. Tenth one, agro-based, AGROBASED, agro-based. So now we learnt 10 words, spellings and pronunciation. So let me revise once again. Once again, I just read out all the 10 words. Listen carefully. Inscriptions, autobiographies, epigraphy, society, location, hydrosphere, prohibition, untouchability, constitution, agro-based. So dear children, we learnt and we